guys. Hope you can see. Alright, bumblebees, dumelang. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. My name is Ifadimisi and this is my YouTube channel. To my returning bumblebees, welcome back. And if you see me for the first time, hi, hello, and please do click that subscribe button to become a what? A bumblebee. Guys, today it's a Monday. It's currently about almost 20 past 1, and I just decided to bake. I decided to bake because I had letted it so bad. So we're gonna be baking together, and I'm just drinking some hot water because I get a flu. It has arrived and my throat is so you know maybe so that it's not that bad, you know. But yeah, guys, we are baking. We are baking. Let me wear an apron before people lidala. Oh yeah, pa. Oh, guys. I am so exhausted. I feel like this apron is itchy. I also need to get another apron, guys. I can say I wish Paula should I use this one, the smaller one, or should I use this one? I did man. This is a bigger version and this is a smaller one. I think we'll use this one because I cannot really cook it. So let me take out my ingredients. What's the flour? Flour. I keep my flour here. Will this one be enough? I think that'll be enough. And then what do we need? Some sugar. I've already got milk here. And my 5 eggs. I do have a vanilla essence. Baking powder. Yeah. I get it's a fancy, so I didn't come and see. No, just making simple ones. Oh, extra, I got it 24th October. Still good to use. And what else? I think this is all. I think this is all we need. What do we need? Oh, we need this for the eggs. Okay. What else do we need? Depends. Yeah, this is all. I'll be using this wooden spoon margarine. This one, the yellow one. Can you see it? I hope you can see. I hope so. Guys, yesterday around what 8 a.m. in the morning, and in the guys, I'll just microwave it. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do. I'm just gonna be playing my short drama while you guys chill and watch me. Okay, simple. Yeah, let us bake. Do you see what my cup says? My cup says dreams are only dreams until you wake up and make them real. So my sister, my brother, if you have a dream, wake up and get your dream. So, because no one is gonna hand you your dream in your hands. So yo, it's better.
Oh, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. Pray it won't fade away. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. And if you wonder if I am you, it feels like ooh. Tell me how I'm supposed to do it, no, can't live, can't breathe with no baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, she said, te amo. The shit para ella, me ves. Told her no, she cried, te amo. Baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, I really, really want to catch your eye. Something special about you. I must really like you. Not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, baby, baby. It's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind. And it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Pray it won't fade. When the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine. And if you wonder if I am you, it feels like ooh. Tell me how I'm supposed to do it, no, can't live, can't breathe with no baby, baby, baby. From the day I saw you, she said, te amo. The shit para ella, me ves. Told her no, she cried, te amo.
Guess what? I am dying. My bumblebees, is the next day? Is it the next day? No. The last time I spoke with you was Monday. Well, we're baking. Yesterday was Tuesday. I went to the doctor because, as you can see, I am not feeling well. I thought it was just flu, but I also have some tonsils. It's not looking pretty good for me. It's not looking pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and let you know that I'm sick. Your girl, she's sick. And also my husband, he's sick as well. He has flu as well. Siyakowa kulo muzi guys, siyakowa, and I'm praying at least by Saturday I should be better, because I have a primary activity that I need to attend to, and yeah, if I'm not feeling myself, I'm not gonna go. I'm just gonna send the things that I was supposed to prepare. Like, I'm supposed to prepare a soup, so I'll just send the soup and I will not be able to attend. But let us hope that by Saturday I'll be better. I'm trying to put a smile on my face, like, as I'm speaking with you right now. Today is the 5th of August. Today it marks exactly 5 years since my dad passed away, and I've been feeling it, like, to be honest, I've been feeling it today, like, since the morning when I woke up. Yeah, I've been, like, You know, when they say grief and pain, it'll always be there. It'll always be there, no matter how much time passes by. You know, that wound of losing someone like a parent, it's always gonna be there, and it's a little bit tough. But yeah, guys, I'm going through it. As you can see, like, it's through tonsils. I'm grieving, and just I'm not okay. And I've been trying to pick the camera up the entire time, and I couldn't. And it's currently about 6. Just got done. I'm taking a shower. As you can see, I'm in the bathroom, and I thought, you know what? Let me just say something. I'm a human. I feel all the emotions. I even posted my dad on my status. I want to show you. I hope you guys can see. Guys, I hope you can see. It's, yeah. But you know what? Death is part of our journey. It's something that we're all gonna go through in our lives. As now I'm standing in my bathroom, I don't know when will God decides to say, oh, you've done your purpose, my child, it's time to come back home, you know. And it scares me, you know, it just scares me. And thinking about all the people that I've been leaving behind, and everything, you know, thinking about my dad, like, damn, it's been a whole 5 years, like, without any calls from him, messages, just hearing his voice. I even went through my old phone, trying to find the videos that maybe I took with him just to hear his voice, and I can't find them. The only thing that I was able to find is the day of his funeral, and it just has been so hard to think, you know, we go through all these emotions. He was buried on the, I hope you can see, he was buried on the 12th of August 2021, you know, at 9:30. That's when I took this video. And this was just the last day. Here I am. Yeah, it's just I thought I was not gonna I thought I wasn't gonna cry in front of you, but yeah, anyway, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna continue vlogging this week. With the clips that I have, I'm just gonna edit them. I just posted on the Sunday because I don't wanna promise myself, or you guys like empty promises, like, oh, we're gonna do this and this. I had plans. I wanted us to do my meals together, go buy all the ingredients that we need for this coming Saturday's activity, but I don't think that is gonna happen. Yeah, I'm not okay. I'm not okay, and it's part of life. It's just part of life. It's a stage that we go through as people, and last night, sorry about that. Last night we had a prayer thread or a prayer session. My husband, he was leading that yesterday, and I listened to everyone, pouring out their hearts, and I was in bed, by the way, and I was listening to everyone sharing their stories, their testimony, and I realized that we are all going through something, and when you go out there on the street, you meet people who know nothing about you. They think, oh, she's not going through something, she's perfect. However, we're carrying so much to a point that now we are afraid to share, because some people, they will use what you share against you at some point, and it makes it difficult for one to pour out their heart. So, hey, listen, I'm not feeling okay. I'm not myself. I need a shoulder to cry, Me personally, I am one person who would never ask for help. I will heal myself. I will heal my wounds and scars to a point that when I step out, nobody will even see, a scratch or anything, Everyone will come to me and needing advice, and I'm the comforter most times, and even the comforter needs someone to comfort them, and I do talk with my husband, I do, my husband and I, we do share how we feel, and we have each other, and we both have this tendency of we can help each other, and then everyone comes to us for advices and everything, and all that, but not realizing that we also have our own pain and grief, Sometimes we just, I know my husband and I sometimes will just sit in our living room and we'll be quiet the entire time, and once we're ready, we talk about it. But all I'm saying is that we're all going through something. Before you guys start assuming anything, my marriage is good. My marriage is good. Everything is good. It's just that you meet different things at work, you'll see such things, and they can be heavy on you. And me, today I am in my emotions, I'm sick. 5 years, yeah. I wonder if my dad was here, how would life be, and everything. Guys, I always say to my husband, life, its journey is not a destination, and life does not come with a memorandum. We are all here to learn certain things. And if you don't know something, there's somebody else who knows something, and they can help you. We're here to help each other. But now we don't want to share because we're scared of being judged. We're scared of being judged, and that is where we are breaking as people. We are breaking. Like, we need one another, we need to support one another and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. I just wanted to say that, to be honest with you. Whatever dream you have right now, chase it. Go after that dream, because if you're just gonna sit in one place, no one is going to make that dream come true. Like, no one. Your life is in your own hands. Yes, your parents gave you life, but at the end of the day, you are the one who needs to sit down and plan your entire life, like how you want it to be. Like, do you want to live in a fairy tale? You can. Like, you can make your own fairy tale. I mean, if you do anything, here's this piece, the gate, it's closing and opening. People are coming back from work. Almost 6. So go out there and face, the big lions, the tigers, the elephants, the giraffe. Just go out there and be yourself. Be proud of who you are, and be proud of the person that you are becoming. And know that life does not wait for one to be perfect or okay. The moment you sit there and say, not now, tomorrow, you're going to keep procrastinating, because it's human nature. I mean, it's in us. So if there's something you want, just go for it. Just go for it. Life is short. I can tell you that. Life is short. Like, the grounds that we walk on today, tomorrow they're gonna become our forever home. And make the best out of your life. Yeah, I didn't wanna, preach. But that's how it is. If you've watched this vlog till this far, thank you for watching. And I hope to see you on my next vlog as well. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Do subscribe and like. And from me to you, I will definitely see you on my next vlog. Bye, my bamboo. Peace. I'm crying.